The plant kingdom makes oxygenated air for us to breathe. The other output of photosynthesis is oxygen, as trees consume carbon dioxide and release oxygen. When we burn firewood, ethanol, coal, oil, and other fossil fuels, oxygen combines with carbon to create carbon dioxide, released back to the atmosphere. Trees consume carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and release oxygen. Therefore, growing trees is a key to restoring balance in the Earth's atmosphere. In addition, trees help counteract the effect of the combustion of fossil fuels. By planting your food forest, you will help restore balance to our atmosphere on Earth. You will grow fresh, oxygenated air for us to breathe.